Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel, thank you as well for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do low cut crochet hairstyle. This is a trendy hairstyle right now, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. So as you can see, this is the style, the weave style that we'll be working with, and I'm just trying to tuck everything in. Make sure you don't have any hair out. Also, this is the hair extension I'll be using Dali Kinky Bulk. They have it in expression as well. Any kinky bulk would do, but this is the one I'll be using for my own hair. I don't want to waste any extension, so I'll be cutting this hair into 3. So that means if you straighten it, it will be into 6, but as it is now, into 3. As you can see, I'm just trying to measure it before cutting it. So that is that. So here I was just showing you guys the size you should use at a time. Don't take too much hair, just do a little bit at a time. If you make it too big, it will be bulky, the knot will be bulky, and it won't look good. The foundation is the key with this hairstyle. Remember, you'll be cutting very low, so you don't want your knot to be bulky. So this is exactly how you want to crochet your hair. As you can see, I'm taking a little bit of hair at a time and I'm crocheting it into my own hair. Also, with this hairstyle, just put one knot. Don't knot it twice. The hair you are using mimics our natural hair, so one knot will do, it will stay put. I'll tell you the reason why you shouldn't knot twice. You shouldn't put 2 knots later in the video. Here I was trying to show you guys how closely I was crocheting the hair. You want to pack the hair as much as you can. Don't put too much hair at a time. Put little at a time, but pack the hair. Like, put a lot of hair, but not at once. If you're actually watching this video to learn, listen to me. The foundation is very important with this hairstyle. Don't make your braids big. That's the #1 foundation you shouldn't make mistake with. And also pack the hair. Pack the hair. Don't put too much hair at a time. Put a little at a time, but pack the hair, as you can see here. So I was done crocheting the hair here. I didn't want to put hair in my hairline. I don't want to lose my edges, so that was why I didn't put hair in my, like, directly in my edges, because as you can see, I have thin hair. So I'll just go ahead to clean my scalp, clean it, wipe it off from any oil. After wiping down my edges, I'll go ahead to spray my hair glue. I use the Ebin wig glue. You can use got to be or any kind of hair glue you have. So the reason why I said you shouldn't put more than one knot is so that it will be easy for you to take out during takedown time. If you put two knots, it will be very difficult for you to take this hairstyle down. So one knot will do, and it will be easier for you to take it down. Also, I mentioned that all your hair should be tucked in. The reason why all your hair should be tucked in properly is so that you don't cut your hair off. Remember, you'll be cutting this hair very low. So you have to tuck your hair in so that you don't cut your hair off during the process of trimming. After cutting and trimming, I'll go ahead and lay it down with my scarf. This is also very important in my opinion. Laying it down with a scarf is very important. So I went ahead to apply some makeup, and this is the finished look, guys. I was feeling myself. The day I made this hair. Very beautiful, easy and light. So guys, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.